Start by opening your browser and going to Whop's website. You can just search for Whop affiliate and click the link that takes you to the official affiliate page, usually the second link that shows up. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Look for the profile icon, usually in the bottom left corner of the screen, and click it. Then choose Account Settings from the menu that pops up. Inside your account settings, find the section called Payment Info. This is where you can add or update your payment method. You can link something like PayPal, enter your bank information, or use another method depending on what works best for you. Make sure all your details are correct and up to date to avoid delays in receiving your payout. After updating your payment info, go to the Balance tab. This is where you'll see how much money you've earned and what's available for payout. If you're ready to withdraw, look for a button that says either Begin Setup or Withdrawal. Click that and follow the prompts carefully to complete the process. Once the withdrawal is confirmed, the money will usually reach your linked account within a few business days. Keep an eye on your email or notifications from Whop in case there are any issues or additional verification steps required. Sometimes payouts get delayed if your account hasn't completed verification, so double check that all your KYC details like ID verification or linked email are fully completed. Following these steps ensures a smooth, hassle-free payout experience every time you earn from Whop and helps prevent any unnecessary delays or confusion.